How to opt out of Rocket Money. Intro hook. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of subscription services you're paying for? It's easy to get caught up in the convenience and excitement of new apps, but sometimes it's time to reassess and simplify. Today, we're going to dive into how to opt out of Rocket Money, a popular personal finance app that can help you streamline your finances. Building context, Rocket Money is a great tool for tracking your spending, finding hidden fees, and even negotiating bills. But if you've decided it's no longer the right fit for you, here's what you need to know. Step-by-step guide. Access your Rocket Money account. The first step is to log into your Rocket Money account using your email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, you can usually reset it by following the instructions on the login page. Navigate to Settings. Once you're logged in, look for a Settings or Account section. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Find the Cancel Subscription option. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option to cancel your Rocket Money subscription. It might be labeled as Cancel Membership, Unsubscribe, or something similar. Confirm your decision. Rocket Money may ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. They might try to persuade you to stay or offer a discount. If you're determined to cancel, simply follow the prompts to proceed. Review cancellation policy. Before clicking the final cancel button, be sure to review Rocket Money's cancellation policy. This will outline any refund eligibility, if applicable, and any additional steps you might need to take. Check for refunds. If you're eligible for a refund, Rocket Money should provide instructions on how to request one. This might involve filling out a form or contacting customer support. Remove app. Optional. Once you've canceled your subscription, you may want to remove the Rocket Money app from your device. This is optional, but it can help prevent accidental use. Additional tips. Contact customer support. If you encounter any difficulties during the cancellation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support. They can assist you with any issues or answer any questions you may have. Review your finances. After canceling your Rocket Money subscription, take some time to review your overall financial situation. Consider whether there are other personal finance tools or apps that might better suit your needs. Consider alternatives. If you're looking for a replacement for Rocket Money, there are many other personal finance apps available. Some popular options include Mint, Inab, and Personal Capital. Conclusion. Opting out of Rocket Money is a straightforward process that can help you simplify your finances. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily cancel your subscription and explore other options that better align with your financial goals. Remember, taking control of your finances is an important step toward achieving financial freedom. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.